The easiest way to leave your feedback on health and social care services in Devon is via our websites. You can do this 24/7, 7 days a week. You can visit www.healthwatchplymouth.co.uk for all services in Plymouth. www.healthwatchtorbay.org.uk for all services in Torbay. Or www.healthwatchdevon.co.uk for services in all other areas of Devon. From the main page, click the Leave a Review tab at the top of the page. This will take you to our feedback center. You can choose to search for a specific service by typing its name in the box. Alternatively, you can browse all the services available to leave feedback on. When you find the service you are looking for, click View. This will take you to that services page, and here you will find a feedback form. You are able to say how likely you are to recommend this service by choosing the most appropriate answer. You will then be able to rate the service out of 5 stars. Leave your feedback in the boxes provided. These star ratings are optional. You only need to rate the categories relevant to your experience. If there is a staff member that has gone above and beyond, you can single them out for special praise. You can choose if you are making an official complaint. And if you would like to be contacted by a member of the HealthWatch team directly, leave a contact phone number. You can leave your name to be published with your feedback, or you are able to publish it anonymously. We do require an email address. This will not be published, and all personal data will be held securely by HealthWatch. Our terms and conditions are available here, and we would recommend that you read these, and then you must confirm you agree to them. You can give your consent to be contacted by HealthWatch in the future regarding your feedback. You will be asked to confirm you are over 16, and if you are not, if you have parental consent to leave feedback. Finally, you have the option to sign up to our e-bulletin. You can then submit your feedback by pressing the pink button. Your feedback will then be added to the services page, once it has been moderated by HealthWatch. If the health or social care service you want to review is not listed on the website, just click the Contact Us button to send us your feedback via the contact form. We will then be able to add the service and your feedback to the website.